how to install Microsoft Power BI app on iPhone. So just tap get and then you will be able to install it. So just double click to install. If you work in corporate, this is one of the apps you will need, because one of the top apps to view dashboards, generate all these business intelligence reports and all of that. And the cool part is that you don't need to bring your huge laptop with you. If you just need to view some report or some workspace or something, you can just easily do it from your phone. In the beginning, it can sound like how would I access all of these complicated reports from my phone. It also was like a bit unusual for me, but then I discovered that actually a lot of things you can just actually do from your phone. Analytics data, you can check it out on your go, while commuting, whatever. And yeah, the phones are getting bigger and displays are pretty good. The processor super fast, and yeah, you can easily just see all of the reports on the phone. So yeah, then you can just sign in and then you can see some samples. Here you can see your workspaces, you can see apps available, favorites, home. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So try it out.